So you think you're okay because you're on well water and the city doesn't regulate your water. Well, let me tell you something. Well water is worse than city water. Why would that be? Because there's nobody regulating it. So wells typically are exposed to more contaminants because in a rural area like this, nearby you have farms. When there's farms, there's crops and there's chemicals that are added to the crops. And now it goes down into the soil, those chemicals. And guess what happens? It goes right back into the water system. Herbicides, pesticide, homicide, suicide. That's right, my friends. This stuff is very, very dangerous. And so you think, oh, I'm in well water. We have the best water out there. Now you have bacteria because there's no bleach in that water to kill any bacteria. And so then they say, don't worry, just put bleach in there. Just go and dump bleach in your well and you'll be good to go. I don't know about you, but that doesn't sound too good, especially if it rains and it washes the bleach out and the bacteria comes. And if you think, oh, it's okay, I'm just going to have bottled water. Well, guess what? Do you shower? Yes, we all shower, hopefully. When you shower, you actually absorb more contamination than if you were to drink water for an entire week, tap water, in one 10-minute shower. So, yeah, that's big. That's scary. So, even if you don't drink it, unless you're bottling water up and showering in the water, I don't think it's a great idea. So, the best situation is check your well. If you wanted to contact us, we can check it for you to see. We have a company we work with. We can get a sample over to you or send you a sample kit, put the water in there, send it back to our lab. They will analyze that water for you. It's not going to tell you everything in there, but we're going to talk about nitrates. You want to definitely check that one out. If you don't know what those are, it's coming from those herbicides, pesticides, and fungicides. You also want to make sure you don't have any huge risk of PFAS in that water. Because like around my local area, there's PFAS that's absolutely horrible. And the least expensive test that we can get is $500 test. How many people are going to be doing that when it's $500 a test? And of course, if it rains, then you don't have an accurate test. So then after we get that water sample, we have whole house water systems. And we can put that in your garage, in your laundry room, have the plumber come out, hook it up, and now your whole entire home is safe. You have clean drinking water, clean showering water. And of course, we'll talk about the molecular hydrogen and how you can infuse that water with molecular hydrogen, which is a very potent antioxidant, which fights all those toxins every day that we're exposed to, like in the tap water, all those chemicals. Those are toxins, those are free radicals, those cause aging and dis-ease. So we can get all that out and we can infuse it with hydrogen. It's so awesome. So there you have it. If you thought that you had good water because you're on well, it's time to think again, my friends. All right, thank you again for liking, subscribing, turning on the bell for notifications. Very important that you do that. And always making sure to tell everybody about this channel, about our videos, so we can help people around the world one glass of water at a time, physically and financially. All right, we'll see you soon, my friends.